Hello guys. In this video, we will explain how to create a fake Visa card to work with online and register on it through sites that ask you for your bank card information. Register with this information for the bank card that we will create so that no one steals your original card. The method is very simple. The method is 100% free. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video before broadcasting in the explanation. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. I would like to thank everyone who supports me. Thank you very much. The first step, my friend, we go to this site that you will find a link to in the first pinned comment. After that, my friend, click on the 3 small legends above here. After that, click here on Tools. After that, click on Create a Card or Generate Card. After that, my friend, here in this box, Visa. Click on it and choose the type of Visa you want, whether Visa or Visa MasterCard or American Express or JCB or whatever. After that, choose the type of card and then click on Create a Card that is here. In a few seconds, you will find that the card has been created successfully. As you can see, this is your card. Here is the card number and here is the name of the cardholder and the card expiry date and also the card security code. You can use it to register on websites and so on. This card is not valid for online purchases or online payment or shipping. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited from prayers and peace.